Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to create a grammar checker using Python. So I'll explain you how to create Python program to create grammar checker. Actually, this is a simple grammar checker program, so you can develop it further. So from this video, I will explain you how to create your own grammar checking application. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So here I use Visual Studio Code to write my Python codes, and also I have already written my codes relevant to this project. Therefore, I don't want to waste your time by typing each and every line of code relevant to this program. So and also I will give you the code set with this video, so you can easily download from code file from video description. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. So I opened Visual Studio Code and I created a new file called grammar.py. So this is the place where I'm going to copy my pre-written code. So this is the code written by me relevant to this project. So here for user interface, to design user interface, here to design user interface, I use Tkinter module. On the other hand, to make this project success, you should install PyEnchant module into a Python directory. So therefore, here now I am going to copy and paste my code, Visual Studio Code. Yes, I copy and paste the relevant code. On the other hand, you have to install PyEnchant spelling checking library to your Python directory. To install this one, what you should do is, if you are not install this module, you have to go to cmd command prompt and type pip install PyEnchant. Then you can easily install. Once you install these two modules, so this is the definition, the function part, and this belongs to the designing user interface, and that is how this code is designed. Now I am going to save my code and I want to run my code. So I am going to add a new terminal. Yeah, now I want to access the partition. In there I have a file called Python. In that folder I have my file Python. Inside my Python folder I have Python file called grammar.py. Now my project is running. Now let's see what happened. Yes, this is how my user interface takes place. Now I'm going to write an English word. Just say So here I made a small mistake. Then let's see it detects according to my system. Click on the check spelling. So it is spelled and the suggestions are given like this. So here mother is the relevant word. So it checks my word and it gives the what we call correct suggestions too. Now I write father, so I type that word correctly. Then I click on the check spelling. Then it says father is spelled correctly. Then again I want to apply give another word. Here I type CMPUTR. I missed O. Then the word is computer, but the thing is that when I press check spelling, it detects that the word I typed is misspelled and the suggestion is computer. So our small grammar checking program works properly. So I think this will helpful to you, so you can develop this project further. So that's it for today. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Let's meet with another video as soon as possible. So if you have any question, so if you need any explanation regarding this project, please put a comment under the video comment section. Thank you very much.